Okay, it's time to show you guys something I created for the winter time. Creative Redundancy, the one known as CR. I've shown something similar with this before with this guy right here. If you remember this one where I extended the protection, as I said in that video. But this is before I even made that one. I made this a while ago actually. Again, using socks and extending the protection down, for example, on these mitts, common type of synthetic mitts, acrylic mitts. So all these dots and the red and the black dots always remind me of a ladybug for some reason, or something along the lines of that. But basically what I did was just connect it at the wrist part, or the cuff part. I can roll this over top of my cuff of my jacket or hoodie or whatever, right? So now I have a little bit more protection around my wrist, for example. But let's say if I'm wearing a longer jacket that has a longer cuff, or if it's colder out, I can actually roll it up into something like this. And now I have a second layer around my thumb, my fingers, for example. And do something like this. So let's say it's colder out, I can make a fist within it while I'm walking or whatever, right? If I need my thumb again, I can pull it out, do something, grab something here, and I'll actually do this. Grab something like this bracelet, put it on. I made this back in, I think it was like 2023, something I had on hand. And I reused a few materials, even the thread, and these help me stay a little bit warmer and add some more layers of protection in the winter. It works in conjunction with some of this air gear, winter gear that I have. So if I put this one on, for example, roll this up over top and roll it up like a sleeve, or roll it down over the whole mitt. And if I need the dexterity, I can just pull my hand out. My hand will be warm. I can do what I need to do. Let's say tie something, fix something, or whatever. Something simple, but useful. And with things on hand that I had. And like always, as our world changes, we're gonna adapt to. Our skill and knowledge get better with practice. Can't help everyone out there, but one can help someone. Take care, everyone.